For ZUMTOBEL, it was very interesting to make the best light for the next generation, for the young students, because I think it's quite important to show them what it's possible to achieve with different lighting solutions. And therefore this is perfect here, because they work daily here in the economic university, and they see and they feel the light. And also it was a huge project in Vienna, and for us it was very interesting to work with 6 different well-known architects, and it was quite a challenge and it was interesting. They are not only standard products here, and so we had to integrate the light in different architectural situations. So it was not just the supplier task, so it was integrated light, it was special solution, it was the network between the 4 electrical companies who installed. So there were different sort of tasks here. The products we used here were mainly standard products, but it was special the way how they are mounted and how they are integrated. For example, in the library center of Zaha Hadid, we had a grid where we put there the downlights, and it was also the endless lighting line. It was wished from Zaha Hadid and from Arab. The interesting point is also the different lighting colors in the building, because Arab wanted to change the lighting colors from the bottom of the building to the end of the building. So at the highest level you have a neutral white light color, because it is next to the sky, and inside the building there's a warm white light color. In the building of CRABstudios we had suspended downlights, and we colored them in different colors. So it was quite a change of standard products and to integrate them into the architecture. And one special lighting solution we had also to solve, it was in the Executive Academy. It was a really new luminaire, and we had to make it. It was quite a big luminaire, and so we constructed there a new solution. ZUMTOBEL is an international supplier of lighting solutions for outdoor and indoor professional building solutions. More than 60 years, ZUMTOBEL has been developing really custom individual lighting solutions, ergonomic lighting solutions, technical innovative solutions, and we always have our luminaires superior designed by well-known designer. ZUMTOBEL has extensive range of premium luminaires and lighting system control systems, and we work in different application areas. We do lighting for art and culture, for art and industry, for office and communication, for facades, for outdoor lighting, for wealth and care. We like to create lighting scenes, and we like to see the different interplay between architecture and light. And sometimes we start to discuss with the architect from the earliest beginning of the project, and we work with him during the phase of the competition. The earlier we get in touch with the architects, it's the best way to realize the best projects. We often start to at our projects in the beginning just to discuss about lighting, just to discuss about the scenes that you want to achieve. We don't just discuss about luminaires in the beginning. We just come to the luminaires at last because we are a supplier. But in the beginning we start to talk about light, and I think this is the main topic. And now we have with the LED technology we have the possibility to make sustainable solutions and to make really efficient solutions, and to change the light color, to make lighting solutions for people during the whole day. And I think you need another light in the morning when you start in the office. And when you go home in the evening, it's good when the light is with another lighting color, with a lighting color temperature. And then in the evening it's warm white. In the morning you start perhaps with neutral white light color. So I think the interesting points of lighting, and I believe it's interesting and fascinating, and it's one of the most fascinating things in architecture, because with light you can destroy architecture, and with light you can support architecture.